The JAD Roch Index just dropped.
Dropped? Wait, is the Memecoin market in trouble?
Not panic, but yes, the market lost some heat.
So what caused the drop?
The biggest meme coins lost momentum. When the heavyweights slow down, the whole index feels it. DOGE scored 67, SHIB 70, PEPE 64, FLOKI 1.
So the leaders were not strong enough?
Exactly. Big names, but weak momentum.
Allez les bleus!
What was the weakest signal?
Market strength. DOGE, SHIB, PEPE, and FLOKI all scored just 4 out of 20 there.
On va gagner! Hein? On perd? Quoi? On perd de 1?
Non!
C'est pas possible! On va perdre! Non, pas encore une défaite.
We lost signal with JAD again.
JAD, don't worry, the market will stabilize again. But some smaller coins looked better, right?
Yes, BONK, WIF, FARTCOIN, and DEGEN had more energy, but their weights were too small to save the index. The JAD Roch Index dropped because the biggest meme coins lost momentum.
So the market is not dead.
But it is definitely cooler than last week.
Victoire!
Allez les bleus!
Quel match incroyable! Les joueurs ont tout donné! Allez les bleus! Allez les bleus! On est les champions! Vive la France!